Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a particular text editable on Microsoft Word. Sometimes people would like to make the Word document read only. Also, the same document they would like to make the particular area can be editable. In this situation, how they can do this process? Let's learn how you can do this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. First you have to open your document what you would like to edit the restriction. So in my document I would like to restrict the edit for this text. So first we have to go to review tab, then we have to go to protect, then click on the restrict editing. The restrict editing window will be open on the right side bar. Here we can select the particular text can be editable. So you have to select allow only this type of editing in the document. You have to select this option and you have to click on the drop down. They have provided the many option, track changes, commands, filling forms. So here you have to select only for the no changes, read only. This means the all text can be restrict editing. Under the start enforcement you have to click on the yes, start enforcing protection. So here you have to enter the password. That's it. So now you can try to edit for your text. It will not be editable, but I would like to add some of the text should be editable. For example, this text and this text needs to be editable. So again you have to go to stop protection. Here you have to enter the password. So now you have to select the exception. Here you can select the everyone can be editable for this text or choose a particular user. You have to click on the more user. Here you can add the your domain users, or else you have to add the emails for the particular user. What are the user can be logged in the particular email, they can be editable for this. So now I would like to select for the everyone can be editable for this text. So here we have to also select this can be editable, also this can be editable. The three area can be editable. Now you have to again start enforcement. Here you have to enter the password. That's it. So the option shows for the highlight the region I can edit. So you can check it out. The text cannot be editable, but you have to select the highlight the text. The three sentence can be editable. So here I can able to edit. So in this way you can make the particular text editable on your Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.